a lot of users from casino. Yeah.
Yeah, this is only MPEG 2. Yeah, we will have a new products which can generate both MPEG 4 or MPEG 2 in one card. We will have the new product later.
We will introduce those new products later in this session. I'm going to turn off the microphone because it's kind of noisy. Can everybody hear me okay? Right? I'll continue then. And our GB look-through card. What GB look-through card does is basically take the video signals from our main capture card and splits those video signals to 16 separated output. So what can you do with GB look-through card? Basically, it's designed for applications like control room, where you have big TV walls installed in the control room. Or if you want to display only a few video channels in different places, you can use look-through card. And one note to that GB look-through card, because it doesn't do any internal process when it gets the video signals, so there is basically no video losses. And here is a compatibility chart of our accessory cards. GB look-through card is compatible with all of our capture cards. And now, input and output devices. We have both internal cards and external boxes solutions for input and output devices. And on the internal side, we have GVNet card. GVNet card is basically a RS-232 to RS-485 interface converter. If you have the need to connect PTZ cameras or I/O modules, any RS-485 devices, you can use our GVNet card. You will add one RS-485 interface to your PC. And GVNet I/O card is basically GVNet card plus 4 digital input and 4 digital output. So it has all the functionalities of GVNet card plus I/O features. And if you need more than 4 I/O input and output, you can get our 12-in card and 12-out card. When used with our GVNet I/O card, they can give you total 16 channels of input and output. And on the external side, we have GVIO box. It provides a digital input, and it can connect up to 2 GB relays. And each GB relay will give you output, sorry. And you can have up to 9 GVIO and 18 GB relays. So it can give you maximum 72 inputs and 144 outputs. And now our GVCOM box. It's pretty much like the GVNet card, but instead of doing the thing internally, it connects to the USB port of your PC, and it provides both RS-232 and RS-485, not just RS-485. It provides both interfaces. And it's self-powered, so as long as your USB port has enough power left inside, it's self-powered. You don't need any additional power adapters. Our GVCOM box is very much like our GVNet box, which we released before. And basically the main difference is that GVNet box, just like GVNet card, you only do RS-232 and RS-485 conversion. It doesn't provide you with the serial port, RS-232 port. But with GVCOM, not only you get the RS-485 port, you also get one additional RS-232 port. And also, GVCon supports higher baud rates. And our GB hub. If you require more than one RS-485 ports and RS-232 ports, you can get our GB hub. GB hub is basically 4 GVComs built into one box. So with one single USB connection, you get 4 serial ports, 4 RS-232, and 4 RS-485. And to make controlling DVR easier, we also have GVIR remote control. It gives you wireless freedoms to control our DVRs, and it provides easy access to almost all of the features of our DVR. You can record, you can look, you can call out video logs and see what you have been recording, and you can basically just use it like a VCR. Use our DVR like a VCR. If you need more features, we also provide GV keyboard. GV keyboard does everything a remote can do except it's wired. And there are several connectivity options for GV keyboard. You can use USB, you can use RS-232 port, you can also use RS-485 ports. And when you use RS-485 connection, you can control up to 16 additional GV systems. These features are not available on the remote. GV keyboard provides password protection. It's a must for administrators. You don't want anyone to mess with your DVR. And you can control up to 16 DVRs via RS-485 connection. It also has 8 custom function keys on it. You can move PTZ cameras to a preset point. You can trigger I/O devices. You can trigger alarms. You can disable alarms with these custom function keys. And it also has an AB playback loop quick access key. If you use AB playback loop a lot, you will like this feature. And now I will show you some of our soon-to-be released hardware. This is our next generation capture card. It's GB 2004. It's basically a capture card plus audio input plus real-time display feature, and new to this card is hardware video compression. GB 2004 is our 4-channel solution. Because it's hardware video, it uses hardware video compression, so it can reduce the CPU usage, just like our DVR card, our hybrid card. And it also supports MPEG-2 and MPEG-4 format. MPEG-4 will make a smaller size video file, so if you don't have a lot of hardware hard drive space, but you still require high quality video, you can go for MPEG-4. And the advantage of this card is it provides real-time, high quality D1 resolution videos with a single card. Yes?
One card per camera is stackable.
We'll cover that later. Yeah. Yes?
You're probably that's the same direction.
Okay. So what you're saying is what kind of
16 channels do you need for these cards?
no, it only supports 4 channels.
Only supports 4.
Yeah, and we'll talk about the 16 channels
So
here. Yeah. This is our GB 2008 card. It supports A or 16-channel video recording. Basically, a card only gives you